Hey there! If you're like me, you probably spend a lot of time dealing with emails, whether it's for work or personal stuff. And let's be honest, it can get overwhelming. But don't worry, because today I'm going to share some easy tips and tricks to help you get the most out of Microsoft Outlook. We'll look at features that can save you time, keep you organized, and make your day a little less stressful. Sound good? Let's dive in. First up is the pin feature. Ever lose track of an important email in your crowded inbox? It happens to all of us. With Outlook, you can pin your most essential emails right at the top so they don't get buried under the new ones. All you have to do is hover over the email, click the little pin icon, and boom! It stays at the top of your inbox until you're ready to deal with it. And if you don't need it pinned anymore, just click the pin again and it'll go back to its original spot. Super simple, right? Next, let's talk about saving time with email templates. These are pre-designed messages that you can reuse for those emails you send over and over again. Instead of typing out the same info repeatedly, just create a template and you're good to go. Not only does this save time, but it also keeps things consistent and professional across the board. Now this one is especially handy if you're working with people in different time zones. Did you know you can schedule emails in Outlook? Yep, write your email, click the arrow next to the send button and select schedule send. You can choose a preset time like tomorrow morning, or even set a custom time that works best for the person on the other end. Your email will sit in drafts until it's time to go. No more accidentally sending emails at 2 a.m. Outlook's calendar feature is another big win. If you're like me and need help keeping track of meetings and deadlines, this tool is a lifesaver. It syncs with Microsoft Teams, so you can easily schedule meetings or plan collaborative tasks without switching between apps. Everything stays in one place, nice and organized. Speaking of staying organized, did you know you can create custom folders in Outlook? If your inbox is a mess, this is a great way to sort your emails. Just right-click under the folder list, select Create New Folder, and name it whatever you want. Projects, clients, urgent tasks, whatever works for you. And here's a pro tip. You can even set up rules to automatically send emails to specific folders so you don't have to do it manually. Let's talk about @mentions. You've probably seen this in social media, but did you know it works in Outlook too? If you want to get someone's attention in an email, just type @ and their name, and Outlook will notify them. It's perfect for making sure important people don't miss critical updates in those long email threads. So there you have it. Some quick and easy tips to help you make the most out of Microsoft Outlook. From pinning emails and scheduling messages to using the calendar and @mentions, Outlook has a lot of features that can really streamline your day. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And hey, if your business is looking to get even more out of Outlook, we're here to help. Reach out to us and we'll show you how to make your emails more efficient and save you time. Thanks for watching.